Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is ValenciaGLQ, and I'm here with another video. But I want to show you, right, how you can earn without making money. I mean, without actually doing any work. Let me rephrase that. And you're probably like, how is that possible? Here we go again. People always telling me that I don't really have to do a lot of work. I don't need to recruit. And how am I going to earn? Listen, guys, I'm not here to make you excuses or show you how to get rich quick. But what I am going to show you is something very powerful. Now, I'm going to show you this calculator that is not tied to the opportunity, but I really just want to give you some earning potentials, okay? So being on this calculator right here, right, making sure that we're on the Forex compound, I'm going to put an example of $1,000. And the reason why, because most people who join me use $1,000. Okay. Can you start with less? Yes. But we want to go with the gusto because you already want to make money, right? So you're already believing that it can't be. So I'm going to show you how, right? So we're going to put in $1,000, right? And we're going to put in 3%. Then we're going to change monthly to weekly. We're going to put, let's just say we put in what, 3 years, right? Because most of you people are like, look, I need money now. I'm just putting in 3 years because I want you to be able to, be reasonable. We got to have a reasonable expectation, right? Change the compound to weekly. Don't worry about the additional contributions. And then we're going to hit calculate, okay? Boom. I'm going to drop this in here. Look at these numbers, right? And you're like, how is that possible? It can't be, right? It's definitely possible. And the thing about it is that bottom line is we have so many different ways online to make money, right? There's so many ways out here that we can make money. But what if somebody was able to draw this income for you? Meaning that if you scroll down, it will give you the earnings that you could possibly get per week and per month, per year, right? Now, if you're saying this is not enough for me every month, maybe it's just enough for your cell phone bill. Maybe this is extra gas money for the week, okay? Bottom line is you have the determination to decide how much money you want to make. Now, nothing is automatic. We say potential, right? And the reason why is because we normally get anywhere between 2 to 4%. Has it been a little bit less than 1%? Definitely. Has it been a little bit more than 4%? Definitely. But the bottom line is that you're still able to earn. And the reason why you can is because this has been around for 3 years plus. Right? They are certified in terms of being a registered broker on MetaTrader 5, and they are trading expeditiously. And I love it. They're very modest. And their goal is this. Yes, we can give you 10% a week if necessary, but we want to be around. We want to keep it modest. We want to keep you earning. We're not here to make you rich. We're trying to make a consistent income coming in for you, because bottom line is this, right? There's a lot of people who trade, a lot of people who say they trade, but don't know how to call their own trades. Let's just be honest, guys. I used to be one of them until I learned for myself, and I started learning how to trade binary options much better. And I teach that as well. That's a whole different story. You could check out my information, just go through my page. But what about if you can use this as a savings account? Or, like I said, extra income. If you go down the months, right, as you see each month, your income is going to grow more and more, because every Friday, all you're going to do is reinvest your income and make your money grow for you even more. Can you take the money out? Absolutely. You have 100% ability to do whatever you want. Well, the company cannot reinvest your funds for you. You do have to go into the back office, and it takes about 45 seconds or so to click a button or two and to reinvest your funds. Or you can just say, you know what, I want to take it out. That is totally up to you. But I want you to see the potential of what this income can do. Can it be life-changing for you, right? So let's go back up, right? Let's change this to maybe 2,500, because I've had people join me at 2,500, right? At same thing, the 3% weekly. Let's change this to about maybe 5 years, right? Let's calculate that, because they already have a job. They already have income coming in. Do you see that? Do you see how that changes drastically? Because they added a couple more money. The initial balance is 2,500. So look at the percent effective annual rate. That's truly, truly amazing. Now looking at what the possibility of potential of earnings can be on a weekly basis. We're talking about 9,000. Monthly, I'm sorry. $9,121 per month. That is phenomenal. Do you understand what I'm telling you? No, excuse me. I'm wrong about that. This is the weekly. This is the total. And this is for the am I wrong? Let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. Monthly and yearly. This is the monthly. This is the yearly, right? I was right. So every month, $9,127. Is that sufficient for you? Can that pay mortgage? In 5 years, what are you doing now that 5 years ago is yielding you $9K a month? Absolutely, probably nothing, unless you're buying and selling houses. And maybe this is something that you're doing that you're making an income at a time. But bottom line, this is truly phenomenal. I'm going to leave the link below with the instructions on how to get started. If you're still not sure and you need help, message me. This is a cryptocurrency hedge fund. Okay, so you need to purchase with crypto. You need to buy you some crypto, and the best way to do that, depending on what you're using. I don't know if you are using Cash App or Coinbase, whatever it is. You can use these methods to purchase your crypto. Please remember that if you do use some of these third-party companies in these apps, they have a small fee, as well as sometimes making you wait for a day, 24 hours, or even 7 days, having some of your funds on hold because it's your first time purchasing and they need to verify. Okay, so maybe you might want to buy a smaller amount if this is your first time using that company, using that app, whether it's Coinbase. I know they do sometimes a day or 4 days, sometimes 3 days, have your funds on hold if you've never bought crypto before. Cash Out would allow you to buy no more than $2,000 a day worth of Bitcoin, which you can use to get started. All right. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Leave me some comments below. If you want to see more information, you want to set up a wealth chat with me, I'll leave that information for you as well. I'm looking forward to growing with you on your journey. Let's beat inflation, guys, and just use something that's going to be beneficial to grow for us without having to do too much work. You don't need to recruit. You do not need to recruit. And I'll leave a presentation for you to view if that's something that you would like to do as well, so you can get a whole overview if you are a person that says, hey, I want to recruit. I want to build this out. I want to share this information. You can do that, and you can earn a great income weekly. And I'm showing some people how to do a few $100s per week with this same system by just that first referral that you bring in, even though you can earn 7 different ways from this. All right. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys stay safe. Be blessed. Have a good one.